Hello, today I will introduce you to the best service, best website builders. After testing over 10 website builders, I found the best option that worked perfectly for me. I have been making over $25,000 a month using this platform. and have been using it for over 9 years now. In this short video, I will reveal to you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best website builders category. This is about BigCommerce. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hi, today I'm going to tell you about one of the popular website builders, BigCommerce, which I have been working with for several years and on which I have made about $100,000 a year. This is an incredibly cool site that I use on a daily basis. In this short video, I'll show you a couple of key features that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best website builders category. We don't waste time and get straight to the point. BigCommerce is a leading e-commerce platform that is ideal for promoting outside of tools like eBay and Amazon to sell. This allows you to customize your store, add products, and start making real money through your website. However, this is not all. BigCommerce is also a specialist e-commerce website builder. As an e-commerce focused platform, you have access to everything you need to start selling online. BigCommerce takes care of all the behind-the-scenes coding. You just need to create product lists, choose acceptable payment methods, and set up your sales revenue generation. Everything just works. You can enable multiple payment options by simply selecting them individually and entering the required details. Creating and managing products, customizing categories, viewing your website analysis statistics, managing your website, and setting up social media integration are all just a few clicks away. Right off the bat, BigCommerce provides you with a complete storefront. If you're new to this will be extremely helpful as it will give you an idea of what you need to get started with a fully functional online store. Technically, you can simply replace the pre-built products and web pages with your own and you're ready to sell. When using BigCommerce, you can choose from a variety of free and paid themes. There are only a few free templates available at the moment, but they cover a decent range of niches. Each template comes with 3 or 4 styles, which are variations of the template to give it a different look or color theme. Free themes tend to be simpler and more minimalistic in design, but that doesn't mean they aren't as modern and attractive. They are versatile enough that you can build just about any type of store if you put in enough effort. Paid themes tend to be more highly specialized. They are more interesting than free templates, and you can find some unusual types like pastry shop, menswear store, etc. Paid themes can seem quite expensive, but their prices are on par with most other similar platforms. The nice thing is that you can preview the templates with your own store's uploaded content to give you an idea of what the final result will look like. A great feature of BigCommerce templates is the ability to view product comparisons and quick views from category web pages that can be easily customized. You can also view 2 or more products side by side on a web page. Also commendable is the flexibility to add more custom fields to products and categories than most other platforms. Regardless of which type of template you choose, they are all fully responsive. When editing a template, you can switch between mobile, tablet, and computer screen sizes in real time to ensure your site looks good on all screens. The actual customization options in the Stencil theme editor are pretty limited. You have significant control over the colors used on your website, as well as the fonts. However, the rest of the customization options revolve around what to include or exclude, such as including or excluding links to web pages in the main menu. Without a drag-and-drop builder, you rely on the page layouts of individual templates when it comes to organizing your web pages. Most of the content management also happens in the dashboard, so you upload or create images, web pages, or blog posts on the backend and then decide what to include on the homepage in the template editor. Likewise, you build your homepage carousel in the backend, not in the skin editor. However, if you have web development skills and want more control over the look of your site, you can edit the theme files directly. BigCommerce leaves no stone unturned when it comes to building your online store. BigCommerce can import your store from any other e-commerce platform. This is a huge relief if you've already created a website but want to switch services. With the Pro plan, you can also import your own third-party SSL. BigCommerce integrates with multiple digital channels. You can integrate your BigCommerce store with eBay, Amazon, Google, Buy Now, Instagram, Square, and Facebook. They also offer POS integration for brick-and-mortar stores, which include inventory management. You can process payments from multiple sources including PayPal, Square, Amazon Pay, Visa Checkout, Apple Pay, Stripe, Klarna, Aiden, and many more. BigCommerce has deep integration with Shipper HQ, which is one of the world's leading shipping cost calculation and rule creation tools. This should provide accurate quotes for a range of on-demand delivery services. SEO is now a must-have feature to drive traffic to your website and grow your business. BigCommerce already generates your URLs for web pages, posts, and products based on best-in-class particles. You also have the freedom to edit your URLs as well as customize other aspects of SEO on the page using apps. Finally, BigCommerce has invested heavily in fast-loading templates, especially for mobile. It's very easy to create an online store with BigCommerce. Some builders make you feel a little overwhelmed at first, but the learning process with the BigCommerce builder is quite manageable. You can easily change all the colors on your website, there are many free or paid templates to choose from, and the controls are standard. Manage your website with a simple dashboard. The BigCommerce dashboard is extremely easy to use. The menu on the left can take you almost anywhere from designing your website to setting up your account. Dashboards for various aspects of the BigCommerce platform are logically separated to simplify your experience. For example, you can buy and add apps to your website from a store built into your main dashboard. The interface is familiar if you've ever used a content management system. Unfortunately, BigCommerce doesn't have a free plan. However, they do offer a 15-day free trial that allows you to use all features up to the Plus plan. Notably, this includes features like creating customer groups and managing your abandoned cart splash screen. What's great about the free trial is that you can set up the entire store and get it ready for the moment you decide to launch. Once you select a plan and launch your store, these features will not be available if your package does not cover them. As far as real pricing plans go, you have 4 options: Standard, Plus, and Pro for individual sellers, and Enterprise for business solutions. The Standard plan includes everything you need to keep your store running, including unlimited staff accounts, storage and bandwidth, and no transaction fees. You are also unlimited when it comes to designing your website, and support is available for every plan. However, with each of the higher tier plans, you get a higher annual sales cap, lower credit card rates, and more customizable options. It is worth remembering the annual sales threshold. If you go over the limit of your plan, you will have to upgrade to a more expensive plan and pay a monthly fee that is quite high. However, the fact that you are not limited in terms of bandwidth and storage means that you do not need to plan any infrastructure upgrades in the future, which will save you a significant amount of money. With the included domain, SSL certificate, features, and other services, you also won't have any needs to run through third-party vendors, saving you up to tens of thousands of dollars if you plan to grow your business.